Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so excited because I got my first Ipsy package in the mail. I received this a week ago and I did not film a video because I was doing some college papers and I just did not have time, but I do have time today, so we're gonna dig into this and see if it's worth it. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this. It's $10 a month, which in my opinion I think is really good. I was actually thinking about buying this and then I was like, no, I'm gonna save. And I came home and my mom was like, hey, have you seen this? You should get it. And I was like, okay, you convinced me. So here we are, I got it. What I have seen is usually it's sample items, but you can get full-size products. So I'm really hoping that I did. You have the option to look at what you're gonna receive online. I did not because I wanted to be surprised. When I did my survey online to see like what I wanted, I have a lot of drugstore items at home, so I put that I wanted a lot more like top brand items, so I hope I got them. I put on there that I don't wear a lot of lipsticks and lip glosses. I think there was something else, maybe blush, but I wear blush. I don't remember, but I did say those two items I don't wear a lot. So what it does is you fill out a survey of what you like, what you don't like, and they customize your bags to fit your wants and needs. I did already open this to look at the bag, but I did not look inside because I wanted this to be a surprise. So we're gonna find out if Ipsy is worth it. The bag says, and off she went to change the world. And it has a blue zipper with this little blue star on it that says Ipsy. I already have a makeup bag that I really like and it's big. And I also have this one that's kind of similar. This is from IT Cosmetics and it rolls out into like, you can put your brushes in this part and then your makeup in here. This is a really cute bag, but I already have some of these bags in my collection. So I'm gonna give this to either my mom or my siblings and maybe even a friend. So we're gonna pass this bag on. Before we open this, also another cool thing about Ipsy is you do get a bag with each of your things. So there's gonna be 5 items in here, including the bag. I really like that they give you a bag each month because bags get dirty, they get makeup on them. So I like that they added that. For $10 a month, I feel like that's a really good deal. So we're off to a good start. The first thing in here is like this piece of paper. And it's National Women's History Month. And it just gives a description of all the items. I don't think you can see that. I'm not gonna look, I'm just gonna like draw in here. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is City Limits Lush Eyeshadow from IBY Beauty. I have never heard of this brand. It's vegan and it's cruelty free. I don't think I've heard of this brand, but I might have. It kind of sounds familiar, but I really don't think I have. So let's see. So the name of this eyeshadow is Headliner, and it's like a little bitty plastic thing with an eyeshadow inside. That's what it looks like on my finger, and then when I swatch, that's what it comes on. So it looks more like a brown now that it's on me, but it has, I don't know if you can see, it has a lot of shimmer to it. I really like it. I feel like I would wear this when I do go out. I like the size of this too because I can just throw it in my bag and go instead of carrying something, let me get out, something like this in my purse. I can put this in there and then do touch-ups if I need to throughout the night. So it's really cute and I really like this one. It's a cute on-the-go eyeshadow. Second thing I'm gonna pick out is this, and it is in bubble wrap. And it is Pure Skin Perfecting Powder. It's gonna be a highlighter, and so this is what it looks like. And so let's take it out. This one's also cruelty-free, vegan-free, and gluten-free. I think the packaging could be cuter. It's like in a little plastic container, but it's all right. So, wow. Okay, so it didn't break. So, oh my God. Okay, not putting it back in there. So this is what it looks like. It's like a golden color. That's what it looks like. It's not too blinding, but it's pretty. And I honestly like that because when I wear highlighter, I don't like a lot. I don't like it to be like bam on my face just because I go for a more natural look. So this is a really pretty highlighter for me. The next thing we're gonna pick is this Intense Hydrating Mask by TRISSOLA. Is that how you say that? TRISSOLA. So this is what it looks like. It's an intense hydrating mask for damaged, color treated, and over processed hair. My hair has never been color treated, but I do straighten it. So I love hair masks, so I will be giving this a try. The next thing we're gonna pull out, this feels like a sample mascara, and it is. It's Tarte and it's Maneater. I love Tarte products, and this is what I was wanting. I wanted something that's a nice brand in my bag. I love sample mascaras because by the time that I am like halfway done with my regular mascara, it's already drying out. So I feel like sample mascaras are the best way to go because I can use almost all of it before it goes bad. So I'm really excited to use this one. The last item in here is Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer, and it is from First Aid Beauty. I have always wanted to try something from First Aid Beauty. I've heard some really good reviews on a lot of their products, so I'm really excited to try this one. It says it's safe for sensitive skin, and that is exactly what I have. I have a little bit of like rosacea. A lot of products don't work well with my skin, so I'm really excited to use that. And it just says to apply evenly over clean face, so I will be trying this tonight. So those are all the products that come in the bag. I'm most excited for the Tarte and the First Aid Beauty just because I've never tried these two products and I love both of their brands. The real question I had coming in to this video was, is ipsy worth it? Is it worth it for me? Is it worth it for people watching this video? And I honestly think it is. For $10 a month, you get 5 items. You get to do a survey, so if you want a lot of things high-end, you can say high-end. If you want things that are drugstore because you haven't tried those yet, you can do that. And they customize it to what you want. I said I wanted a lot of moisturizers, mascara, stuff like that, and I got a lot of that. I didn't get any lipsticks or lip glosses because I told them that I don't want those. So I feel like they actually listen and customize the bag the way you want it. I also think it's really neat because instead of going out and buying these products to try, you're able to spend $10, get 5 products, try them. So I think it's a really nice concept to be able to try the products out, and then if you like something, you can go buy the full-size product. I think that I'm going to keep doing the $10 a month bag because I think it's worth it and I want to see what I get next month. I'm also going to try these products out and see which ones I like and which ones I don't. Hopefully I like all of them. I hope this video helps anyone that was wondering if they should get an ipsy bag. I think you should. If you have $10, it's worth it. And comment down below if you have an ipsy bag and what are your favorite products. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you would like to see me do next. Make sure you hit your bell, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.